What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to code a graphical user interface in Java programming all from scratch. So without further ado, let's start the video. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is go up to File, New, Java Project. Project name should be my graphical user interface or whatever. You can call this anything you want. Finish. Go here, click that where it says SRC, right click that, double click that, new, put in a class. We can call this class AWT, counter, or whatever. Just call it anything suitable to your needs. So I will call it counter, click that also. Okay, finish. Get rid of all this garbage. Let us start coding this. Okay, the first thing we need to do is declare a label. So private label LB account. So with that, we need to import the label. That's fine. Private text field. We also need to import this. Private button btn count. We also need to import this. And the next one is private int count. Make that equal to 0. And that's fine. So we declare the label, text field, button, and also the counter's value. Now we need to put in public counter space parentheses, close that off, set layout, new flow layout, parentheses also, import the flow layout. We can also say, we'll do that in a minute. I was going to say counter needs to extend the frame because the program inherits from the top level container java.awt frame. So might as well just put that in now. Import that too. And there you go. We have removed all the errors and whatever. So now the next thing is to put in, if we just copy this, paste that in, equals new label. Counter, close that off. Next line is add. Okay. That should be in capital. So good to go. So we are constructing a label. Superframe adds the label. Next line will be to let's indent that correctly. TF count equals new text field, zero, 10, tf count dot set edible editable. Get rid of that. False. This is set to read only, so I'll just put that in. And we can say add TF count. Superframe adds the TF count. The next one is to have the button count. If you just take it from here, equals new button, count is the construct button, then add btn count. So good. If I execute this at the minute, we won't get anything. You see, we didn't get anything. Now we need to put in an action listener, so button dot there it is. Put in the word this inside. Clicking button source fires the action event. The button count registers this instance as action event listener. We now need to say implements action listener. Import that into. And there you go, this all has gone. Good to go. Next part is to put in set title. The counter, semicolon that off. Set size. Size of the graphical user interface 250 by 100 should be enough. So superframe sets the title, superframe sets the initial window size. Now the next part is to put in set visible. Make that true. Superframe shows. Execute this and see what we get. Yeah, there's a problem, you see. Now we can invoke the constructor to set up the graphical user interface by allocating an instance. So we can say counter wrap equals new counter, and then we're good to go. We need to override something. There you go. And here we can put ++ count, increase the counter value, semicolon that off, TF count dot set text. That's correct. Count plus speech marks, and now we can just launch this graphical user interface and see what we get. Execute this, and there we have a counter made from scratch. So if I do 1 press, 2 press, 3 all the way, this will just go on forever. Okay, so if I just get out of this. Alright, that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. I've just shown you how to make, code a graphical user interface with Java programming, all from scratch. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for now.